and today we are making slime. To make my slime I would need glue, activator, glitter, spoon, a stick. And now we're going to make my slime. So first we need to add this. You have to make sure it all goes in. Now, I'm going to stop it. Now I'm going to add my colours to my slime. Mix it with this. As you can see, there's a hard bit in there. Yeah, I do not know what that is, but yeah, so we're just going to keep mixing. This spoon is not very good. I'm going to use this spoon instead. And right now, we're mixing the colours. It looks a little bit colourful. Yeah, so we're just going to have to keep mixing. Yeah, I know it's turning grey. Doesn't look that good. Why did I add lots of colours? Now I'm going to add some balls. Now I'm going to add gold glitter. Now we finished with that one, we're going to add some silver glitter. This one is not open, so we're going to have to leave that one. We're going to have to do this one. Okay, I did it wrong way. Okay. There you go. That's it for that bit. I'm going to put some activator in. Start kneading it. This does not look like slime, but as you can see, it's, yeah. Not very well, Simon. When you mix it, looks like it's ready. We added some baking soda and now it's slime. Now it's sticking to my hand. Yeah, they're getting everywhere, but that's fine because, yeah, they're just slime and, yeah, they're going everywhere. Well, I hope you liked this video. It was a foul slime. Hit the like button, the location, give me 2 thumbs up. Bye!